Welcome to Solution Point. So in this video, we will discuss this question, which is based on Surds, rationalization and completing the whole square. This is one of the previous year question from IGCSE paper. So let's start. So in the first part of the question, we need to show that square root of 45 plus square root of 20 equals to 5 square root 5. Now before proceeding for this question, let's recall this property, and that is if we got square root of 3 times square root of 2, this will be equals to square root of 3 times 2, which is equals to square root of 6. So I can generalize this property. If we have square root of a times square root of b, that is equals to square root of a times b. Now since we got square root of 45 plus square root of 20, I can split this 45 as 9 times 5. Similarly, I can split this 20 as 4 times 5. Now the reason why I am doing this is I can write this square root 9 times 5 as square root of 9 times square root of 5. And I can write this square root of 4 times 5 as square root of 4 times square root of 5. Now we know square root of 9 is 3. So this will become 3 times square root of 5 plus, and square root of 4 is 2. So this will become 2 square root 5. Now when I add them, 3 plus 2 will give me 5 square root 5. This is what I need to prove here. So I can say that square root of 45 plus square root of 20 is equals to 5 square root 5. Now let's do the second part. Now in the second part of the question, I need to express this fraction, which is 2 upon square root of 3 minus 1, in the form of p plus square root q. Now if you observe, since I need to express this in the form of this, I need to get rid of this denominator. Now for doing that, what I'll be doing is I will rationalize this whole fraction. So I need to times and divide with the opposite sign of the denominator. So since I got square root of 3 minus 1, I can times this with square root of 3 plus 1 and divide with square root of 3 plus 1. Now let's do this. So this will become 2 times square root of 3 plus 1, and this will become square root of 3 minus 1 times square root of 3 plus 1. Now let's expand this denominator. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 will give me 3. Square root of 3 times 1 will give me plus square root 3. Minus 1 times square root 3 will give me minus square root 3. And minus 1 times plus 1 will give me minus 1. Now I got 2 times square root 3 plus 1 over this plus square root 3 minus square root 3 will get cancelled. So I'll be left with 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now this 2 and this 2, I can cancel these two. So I'll left with 1 plus square root 3, which is in the form of p plus square root q. So this is the second part of the question. Now let's do the third part. Now in the third part, I need to express x squared plus 6 square root 2x minus 1 in the form of x plus a whole squared plus b. Now the approach to do this question is just focus on the coefficient of x, which is 6 square root 2. Now the first thing you have to do is just half this. So you will get 3 square root 2. Now to complete its square, just square this term, which is 3 square root 2 squared. So you will be getting 9 times 2, which is 18. Now you got x squared plus 6 square root 2x. Since we got 18 here, just add 18 and subtract 18 in this quadratic equation. Now the reason why I am doing this is if you focus on these three terms, x squared plus 6 square root 2x plus 18, this will be the whole square of x plus 3 square root 2x. Or I would say x plus 3 square root 2 squared. And this minus 18 minus 1 will give me minus 90. So this is in the form of x plus a whole squared plus b. So this is what my answer is. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you so much. Keep watching.